The skater worked on this painting, Americana-ish, and very charming. And she had worked on it and finished it to her liking at an earlier stage. And tell the folks what you've changed today.
Well, I've tried to straighten out the stream a little, and I've added some color to it. And I had tried to put some flowers on the trees, but I didn't like it. So I discovered I didn't quite have enough paint on the canvas. So
It wasn't rich.
It wasn't rich. So once I
Okay.
started, it wasn't going to blend, so I almost had to repaint the lower half.
Gotcha. The where she's talking about, she had made this into somewhat of a magnolia tree, and the whites were so white on that tree that it brought your eye, because of the contrast between the white and the deeper greens. It took away from the meandering that a person does coming along here and going back to the barn. So in terms of bringing the viewer into the painting, it's much more successful now. Charming little scene. Bye now.